Hi and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Many learners struggle to speak English despite studying for years. The problem isn't intelligence, it's approach and practice. Step 1. Stop focusing only on grammar. Overthinking grammar can block your speaking. Start speaking simple sentences first, correct mistakes gradually. Step 2. Practice speaking daily. Speak to yourself, record your voice, or use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Consistent speaking builds confidence and fluency. Step 3. Learn high-frequency words. Focus on common vocabulary that covers most daily conversations. Use Quizlet or Anki to memorize and practice these words. Step 4. Listen actively. Watch English shows, YouTube videos, and podcasts. Repeat sentences, shadowing, to improve pronunciation and fluency. Step 5. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Describe your actions, thoughts, and surroundings directly in English to train your brain. Conclusion. By speaking daily, focusing on key words, listening actively, and thinking in English, you can overcome speaking blocks and become fluent faster. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.